What's up everyone? I'm Gerard Ken, I'm the founder of GQ Designs, and I'm here again with a quick tip on how to improve your presentation building experience. Okay, so one thing that you want to do before you start sending out your presentation or you start to present your PowerPoint to other people is you want to make sure that your slides are clean. And you could spend like 200 hours talking about what a clean slide means, but at the very basic level, you just want to make sure that your slides look right. So here's three things that you can do to make sure that your slides look right and that your slides are clean before you start presenting them to other people. Okay? So the first thing that you can do is to just stop. Like stop at any time in your design process. You could stop in the middle of finishing your PowerPoint, or you could stop at the very end. It might help to stop early on once you have a few slides so that you could start to check them early, but then just stop. Okay? And then I want you to look at your slides and then decide for yourself if they look right. Do they look clean enough to you? Do they look like they're going to convey the message well based on how they're designed? Or do your slides look messy and cluttered? If it's the former and you feel that your slides are clean enough, then you can proceed or you can start to present your slides to your audience. But if you feel like your slides could do better in terms of cleaning up and just basic good hygiene and formatting, then I want you to listen to the next two tips. The next basic thing you can do in order to make your slides look clean is to lessen the variety of everything, okay? And when I say lessen the variety, I mean less font styles, less font sizes, less colors in your slides. So if your slide has like 10 different font styles, font sizes, colors, etc., unless if the design of your slide calls for that or if your story calls for that, then you're going to end up distracting your audience. So I have a personal rule of 3 for basic slide cleanup. If I don't know where to start, I make sure that I only have up to 3 font sizes, up to 3 font styles, up to 3 font colors, slide background included. And even though I said rules of 3, if you could lessen it even more, like 2 font styles or 2 font sizes, 2 colors, 2 shapes, then that would make things much, much cleaner. And the last thing that you can do to make sure that your slides look clean is to make sure that everything is aligned. So a simple alignment here and there. Make sure that left third of the slide are aligned with each other. Same with the things in the center of the slide. And same with the things in the right third of the slide. Just make sure everything's aligned. And align everything to the best of your abilities. I could talk more about that in a more technical video. But if you make sure that every object in your slide is aligned with each other and is aligned with the borders of your slide, then you run less risk of distracting your audience instead of captivating them. So I hope these tips were helpful to you. Please share them with someone who you feel could benefit from them. And then follow and or subscribe to our profile so that these content come to you first. Until next time, goodbye and take care.